Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2017 Chevrolet Malibu. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.